that is a wrap for us, considering we just came from Rome only 24 hours ago. We're running on jet lag, or not running on jet lag, whatever it is. So surprise, we are back in Seattle, Washington, and we're in van.
We're in the Sprinter.
We are in the low roof Sprinter, and today's the day. We are gonna start building out the vans.
Yeah, hopefully today is like mid 40s, so we are gonna put the windows in. That's the plan, at least, which we should. We have the diesel heater running, heating it up in the back, but that's the plan, is to get the windows in on this van, but we're doing two vans.
Which 12 windows.
And that's our other son is coming up from Portland today, so we'll start on his van tomorrow, maybe the windows. But anyway, we have a lot going on.
A lot going on. Need to make a quick run to Home Depot before we get started, and so hopefully we can show you the entire process of the build, but it is going to be a hectic 2 weeks.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
It'll be fun.
Been
yes.
looking forward to this, because we have both vans that we're building out.
Yeah.
So it'll be a blast.
Number one priority is to get the vans done. Number two will be filming. So I hope I can get I hope we can get a lot of filming done in the process too, because we want to share that with you. So let's head to Home Depot. All the panels are off now and waiting for these to heat up, and I will start the punching process to outline the windows with a little punch and a hammer. So after creating all the dimples on the inside, we then tape the outside of where we're going to cut. We trace the line, so we have a line to follow around the window when we start cutting with the snippers. We start with a big hole in the middle here to get the snippers going, and then that's when we start our cut. So we've got two windows taped and traced. And now the scary part begins of cutting into the actual exterior of the van, even though we already drilled a big hole in there, and we're using this giant cannon opener to cut around the lines that we traced.
Pretty good.
Yeah, first one's almost cut. Yeah. I know, right? How are we going to keep that in? We probably should tape it till we're ready again.
Yeah, well, we'll see. But yeah, this cut's pretty good. I mean, the corners are a little hard, but the straightaways are good.
It's a lot better than using a jigsaw.
Oh yeah, it doesn't get all the shavings all over.
Yeah, that's true.
But once it gets out of the corner, then it's all through that.
This is what it looks like from the inside, and we're almost finished cutting the exterior, but we have to then get through these big frames, and we'll do that from the inside. First piece is out. Way to go! Woo! Now it's time to file all the edges and paint the edges before we actually caulk and then install the windows. So on to that. So this is the primer for the caulk.
So yeah, so you put this on the metal. You don't have to put it on the window. It's primerless to the window, but not primerless to the metal. And I have no idea if it needs to be this wide. I mean, we've done this before, but
can't remember.
Don't remember. But it needs to be wide enough to put the caulking. And this is all behind the window anyway. It needs to be wide enough to put the caulking.
Yeah, but does it go out that far? On that side?
Yep, the window goes all the way in here.
Oh, that's right.
But to be safe. And again, this is not instructional.
This is what we did, and it worked for us.
Entertainment. And it worked, yeah, we had no problems, but there might be a better way to do this. This may not be quite accurate, but we did this on ours, our 4x4, and so
It worked great.
it works without hitch, so we will hope it works on this one.
All right, window number 1 is in and in place and all caulked up, and we are on to window number 2.
Window number 1 went good, except for the caulk gun.
It was malfunctioning.
The powered caulk gun did not work correctly. But I think we were still okay. But it was disappointing. That was an expensive caulk gun.
So far, so good. Painted all the edges of the metal that we cut so that doesn't rust. And again, now we're putting on the primer for the caulk that goes over the top of that. And then we'll put in window number 2. And we'll have all 4 of these windows done today for sure. Or should I not speak too soon?
No, we'll have. We only have 2 more to go.
I know, and it's only, what, 11 o'clock?
No, 1 o'clock.
Is it already 1 o'clock? Holy smokes. Here's the 2 windows from the inside. Moving on to window number 3. Marking it, cutting it.
Nice thing is you don't have to be exact because there's a molding that goes along this.
Yeah.
So it covers it up. If you look at this, this will be all covered. So
Yeah, we'll cover this with black molding or rubber molding that goes all the way around that finishes it really nicely. So
just like an automotive window has.
number 3, I can't believe it.
Yeah, the weather, there's no rain.
Sun's out.
We're in Tacoma. I think it rains every day. So we are good.
Golden.
Not yet.
Smoking hot in here.
Good.
Last window going in. Finishing it up, and that'll be a wrap for tonight.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It went pretty smooth.
That's a wrap. We got all the windows installed in the low roof Sprinter 4x4. 4 windows in completely today. We started around 10:30 once we got everything completely set up. We are in our son's driveway, and so now the windows just need to cure for 6 hours. We have a huge propane tank in here heating it up, as well as the diesel heater, so it's nice and toasty, keeping the walls and the windows warm so it'll cure overnight. So I'm gonna flip you guys around. That is a wrap for us, considering we just came from Rome only 24 hours ago. We're running on jet lag, or not running on jet lag, whatever it is. So we are gonna call it a night, and tomorrow we'll start either cutting the 80/20, or our other son is arriving tonight with his van, and if the weather's good, we may install 8 windows in his van. We'll see what the weather's looking like tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. I know you'll love the van videos. I hope you really enjoyed our trip to Italy, because we loved filming and taking you guys along. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. We will see you in the morning.